Welcome aboard to mainan besi 10, and today we are going to reviewing this 70 Dodge Power Wagon. Yes, this is the Dodge Power Wagon from front of the car itself. It's a quite big diecast here. From Baja Blazers, there is 2 from 10. This is the front of this car. And this is the back of the car. It's number 3 from 250 from Baja Blazers 2001. There's plastic there. Nice. Let's put it in there first before we unboxing it. Okay, let's do some unboxing from this Dodge Power Wagon. Yep. There you go. Yeah. Now, this Power Wagon is already outside the bubble itself. Let's see the comparison between the artwork and this diecast itself. Nice, quite detailed. Yes, it is quite detailed. Okay. Let's do some looking around a little bit. So from this left section of this car is a nice big car, nice black, nice brown tire with some black rims there. Nice black stripping there. Nice also 70 tampo there from the door. All this logo, Goodyear there from the trunk, and the Dodge. Yes, it is nice yellow with some red and orange color, and the interior is colored in red. Yep. And from the front, there's some lack of paint job, I think. Yes, the paint job is not really good in front, but the detail is quite good. As you can see, there's a headlights, there's a fog light, there's some grill there. Nice. And from this hood, you can see there's a detail in the middle of this hood. No windshield detail. And I think there's a fog light or nice. I think there's a light there. Yep. And from the right sections is the same as from the left section, but I wonder where is this fuel cap detail. I haven't found it yet. Yep. And the rear section of the car, as you can see, there's a small detail there. There's the tail light detail there, license plate here, and the trunk detail itself. Yeah. Okay. Nice. Then let's see from the top. It's also box look from the car itself. The trunk is colored in yellow and red detail. Nice detail from the trunk. The paint job is also not too good on the trunk. And from the base, there's nothing quite impressive from the base, but there's a quite detail from the base. As you can see, this feels quite heavy. Let us put it there. Now let's put it there, and we will get the scale to know how much the weight of this Power Wagon. Okay, this Power Wagon is weight around 44.8 grams. Quite heavy. Yes, 44.8 grams from this Dodge Power Wagon. Let us compare with this Toyota Tundra. How much the weight from this Toyota Tundra itself. Okay, this Toyota Tundra is weight around 35.6, so this Power Wagon is powerful in weight. Now let us put this Power Wagon in this turntable so you can see this every angle of this car. It is a nice pickup truck. I hope you do enjoy our review this time. I will see you soon to review another diecast car. Have a nice day and goodbye.